In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your profile on LinkedIn and control who can see your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply want to limit who can view your professional information, this guide will help you do just that. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your LinkedIn account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Once there, log in using your credentials. It's always important to ensure your login details are secure, so do this in a private or secure network, especially if you're in a public setting. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu. What you're looking for here is the Settings and Privacy option. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially the control center for your account settings and privacy preferences, so you'll frequently revisit it for various adjustments. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy section, take a look on the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice several tabs, but for the purpose of enhancing your profile privacy, click on the Visibility tab. This tab specifically addresses who can view your activity and profile, giving you control over your LinkedIn presence. Within the Visibility tab, search for an option labeled Edit Your Public Profile. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new page. This page is quite significant, as it allows you to manage the information that's visible to others who might not be connected to you on LinkedIn. Once you're on the Public Profile Settings page, you'll notice a section that addresses your profile's public visibility. Here, you have the flexibility to toggle the visibility settings. If your goal is to hide your profile entirely from outsiders, you can adjust these settings accordingly. This is particularly useful if you need to go under the radar for a period of time, maybe when you're in between careers or simply reassessing your online presence. As you make these adjustments, take some time to explore each option available. LinkedIn is designed to offer multiple layers of privacy, allowing users to customize what parts of their profiles are visible to different categories of viewers. Double-check all your selections before you exit to ensure everything is set up just the way you want it. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage who can see your LinkedIn profile. By following these steps, you can maintain greater control over your professional information and protect your digital identity. Make sure to revisit these settings from time to time, especially as LinkedIn may update its interface or features. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take care and stay secure online.